Hey guys, How To here. Today I'm playing Minecraft. I've actually already started building. I am currently in making of an epic house, as you can see over here, basically. So it's quite a cool house, I've got to say. So this is basically a how-to video on how to make a Minecraft house. So here's a couple of top tips. I started making it. So just for frame, you want to start making how big you want it to be, so I put the spruce there, and then I put spruce over here, then just filled this in. Around the doors I put spruce as well, which definitely made it look better. Spruce doors. Around the edge I did all the same thing. It looks pretty good, I've got to say. One tip for the floor as well, cover it in wood. It definitely helps. Right now I'm going to make the roof. Now, with the roof, you want to start with spruce plank or liquid planks. Well, I'm going spruce. You can make it with what you want. And basically then, you just fill in the roof. It will be dark, but you add torches and stuff. Then you divide the rooms up, and you have a couple of rooms for a couple of beds, maybe your own room, dining room. I'm not sure. Comment below what you put in some of the rooms. Be creative about it. Minecraft is for creativity, or sometimes for proper structure or building. But I find Minecraft a way to be creative, and so do be creative and post in the comments what you have done, or in the Discord, what you have done, and on the Discord there's going to be a new builds bit, or for posting all your Minecraft builds. There'll be Roblox category, Minecraft category, and you can post anything that you're pretty proud of in that chat, which will be fun. So now I've boarded it all up. Yes, it is dark, I know. So now what you want to do is get some torches, and actually, I'd say divide up the rooms first. So first I want the entrance hall. I think you walk in here. So basically just divide up the room with blocks. I don't care which block, as long as it matches your entire build. Like iron, if you're doing an iron house. I don't think you would make an iron house, but maybe you would. Tell me if you have. I think I will. Maybe. I'll think about it. So I've divided up the room, the place, not the whole place yet. But what I'm trying to aim to do is to get it boarded up here. So here I'm planning. So here's my theory, I want to call it. Doors here. You walk in, library, sort of thing. Now if I get the torches, it is kind of a small house. So don't say it's. I know it's small. I don't care. This was just a demonstration mini house. So what I want. How about I'm thinking. I've got an idea. So here we go. Sorry, wrong number. Bookshelves. Can't really see. Turn my brightness up. That might help. Video settings, brightness. Then we can see. Okay. 2 of them. 6 bookshelves. Gonna help. No, not left. Okay, so now also what we have to do is I'm feeling it. So I'm being creative. Enchantment table of them. Make it look good. So there's my enchantment library. Ready to select snazzy, eh? I'm gonna not have it outdoors there actually. Then I'm gonna have my room somewhere here, which will be nice. Okay, so I'm gonna make it a nice big room so I can fit all my good stuff. So a couple of chests, what I'm aiming for, and a bed maybe. Yeah, definitely a bed, obviously. It doesn't have a bed. Oh sorry, I didn't know I was on a YouTube video there. So basically, this is my corridor. I think just because it's a bit blank there, a couple of bit of that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So that's the place up a bit. Then I'm going room, room, in here. Nice. Then I'm gonna have torches running along the back and sides. Lovely. So far, so good. I'm putting torches here. Just want it nice and bright. Because you don't want a bright and dark house. That'd be weird. Very dark house. Picture it. Very weird. Okay, so then I'm gonna have beds. Two light blue beds. Replace it with the enchanting table. And I dropped the bed, I don't know. Two beds. I'm going to crafting tables. Oh, I thought, yeah. And then bookshelves at the back. Just check it works. The walking in. I say no there. Fill up the room a bit. So there's my room for that. It's my entrance hall. It's my other room. Pile up the room with a couple of torches. It's looking nice. I like my torch. I don't really like that you can't put torches like that. I see why, but it's not a great thing. There we go. Couple one there. Okay, so this is my house. What do you think? I think I'm gonna lay it out with some carpet, but I think for the making the house, I think that's it. I'm gonna post a different video on reviewing it. But anyway, so if you want to see the last video, click over here. If you want to subscribe to How To, click over here. And also, quick news update. If you visit our website, there will be more videos, more competitions, more epic stuff and jokes and everything. So the link will be in the description for that. And also check out our Discord for any videos I might post and showing your builds, like I said earlier in the video. With like all the fun stuff. So do check that out. Anyway, see you soon. Bye.